Want to make your Word documents pop? Let's dive into how to insert images and make them look amazing. First, click the Insert tab at the top of your screen. This is your gateway to adding all sorts of goodies to your document. See the Pictures button, click it. You'll see a drop-down with options like this device, which lets you grab an image directly from your computer's files. Now, browse through your folders, select the image you want, and hit that Insert button. Boom! Your image is in your document. Don't have the perfect image on your computer? No problem. Click Pictures again and choose Online Pictures. You can search for images using the search bar. Type in what you're looking for, pick an image, and insert it. Remember to be mindful of copyright. Let's resize that image. Click on it, and you'll see little circles at the corners and sides. Click and drag these to make the image bigger or smaller. See that little layout options icon that pops up when you select the image? Click it. This is where the magic happens. Here you can control how the text flows around your image. Experiment with different options like square to wrap text around it, or behind text to place it as a background. Click and drag the image to move it around your page and see how the text adapts based on the text wrapping option you chose. Have fun and experiment to get it just right. And that's it. Now you know how to insert and adjust images in Word to create visually engaging documents. Go forth and design.